Aren't these images or art you are watching right now on your screen are amazing, right? You must be wondering who has created such beautiful and artistic illustration. What if I tell you these art are not created by any creative or digital artist but generated by AI application called Midjourney? I know it's hard to process right now because it blew my mind when I first tried this amazing app based on Discord. So hey guys, my name is Raman and welcome to Webby Digital channel. And in this special video, I will tell you about this amazing AI generate artistic illustration generated app called Midjourney, which is actually creating a buzz around internet because it may cost your pocket if you are a digital illustrator or a vector artist or something like that. Because in upcoming years, you are going to witness a game changing app which is actually buzzing right now around the YouTube internet, and it's just creating a chaos. One thing I want you to do is go to midjourney.com and join with the server, or you join the beta version and with the Discord, and just add Midjourney app to your Discord server. You have this interface like that. So what you need to do is, if you want to practice it with me and if you want to create such art with me, just go to the newbies section because it will give you the trial functionality of this particular app and witness what a great app is this. So I have tried this on my own. I have created my own art here using different commands. So here are the different art I have created, like you are seeing right now. So here is the command is which is turban god walking in between river, sun and lighting. So look at the outcome here. It's amazing, right? It just blew my mind when I first saw these illustration, or you can say art. And here is a Hindu god called Shiva, close up face, angry third eye, angry face, lightning and flames add to the picture. So this is actually the command which I gave to the AI or Midjourney bot, and it just create the 4 variation of your command, and you need to apply or select upscaling or variation of single pick you have liked. I know this is maybe a confusing right now, but let's just go to the app itself. Okay, so here you need to go to the newbies 50 20 and all these rooms you need to enter and start typing these commands. Okay, so I have added to myself because I have paid for this app. It also have a subscription based, like in the monthly or yearly based. It costs around 10 US dollar for per month. Okay, enough of chit chat. Or you can also add it to your own server. To add it to your own server, what you need to do is go to the Midjourney room here and select this Midjourney board and add to your server. It will add to your server also. So here I have the general text channel here, so only I can just view this. So let's see. Okay, to call this, or you to start this, what you need to do is slash imagine. So Midjourney bot lets you imagine anything you want. So prompt is a command you give to the bot, anything you want you have in your mind. So let me just say 8K realistic skeleton warrior walking warrior close up in library. Just click enter. So yes, accept TOS. So it will start generating the art here like this. So it has completed 8% of it. Just wait out, you will be blown by the result of this particular app. So if you are just practicing it with me, that's how you do it. Okay, that's how you create it. So you, even if you have any imagination, you can imagine. Even if you just give your imagination to endless possibilities and click on this command and enter your command, and it will give you all the required result, and you will be blown away in it. Okay, so I'm loving the outcome so far, and it hasn't doesn't done yet. Okay, it's just on the 96% here. So I just love this, the 4th version. So here you have a different commands here, UI, U2, U3, U4. Okay, so you have different. U is about the upscaling. If you want to upscale any of this variation, you can upscale it. Okay, so I want to upscale the 4th one here. Okay, and if you want to create a variation of some art, or variation of any of this art, you can click on V2, V3, V4. I want to add more variation to the V4 here. So let's see, it will create the more variation of it. So look at the art right now. So it hasn't done yet, it's only the 61% right now. And here's the variation of the fourth one which we have selected here. Fourth one, if you don't like any outcome of this, you just need to click on the refresh button and it will just refresh all here. Let's just create that also. So here is the upscaling, 84%, and look at the detailing, man. Look at the detail. you know it just blew my mind. Like, even if you to create such masterpiece, you need to have a higher skill in a software like Illustrator, or the 4D Maya or something like that, equivalent to like that. And you see such stuff in in the games, high end games in the PlayStation or Xbox or something like that. But look at the detailing, man. Look at that, seriously. And you're actually watching this, doing a AI creating such images from the scratch here. I mean, I don't have a words, because I was also a designer myself, and looking at this, it's just pain in my eyes right now, because I don't want this to be released publicly. It just need to be in the bin. But how that's technology is changing right now, because I knew many designers or creative artists in my real life. And I when I showed this to them, they just they just started crying, like, why. Okay, so that's how you can create such art using your own command here. You can imagine anything you can imagine. So let's just create one more using different command. So yes, upscaling is done here. If you click on the open original, so it will open in the new tab. Look at this, look at the detailing, man. Look at this, damn boy, this is something else. This should be legal, man. This okay, I know. I'm just very much excited, because yesterday I got to know about this, and I just started tested out myself. And you also have more option here. If you want to make a upscale to the max, let's just click the upscale to the max. Okay, if you want to light upscaling it, you can also do that the same. So let's see what it gives as upscaling it to the max. So here is the variation which we have wanted. So these are the variation here. Okay, now it's upscaling to the max. So okay, let's just try something new here. Click on the imagine. I have a Pug Dog. Okay, so let's see, 8K photorealistic Pug Dog blue healer saving the world. Let's see. Okay, it's still upscaling it. It's only the 25%. Look at the detailing. Okay, I'm just acting weird right now, I know, but let's see about this next outcome here. So we are getting the my pug's name is Peter, and let's see if it does give us what we wanted. Oh yes, oh look at that, amazing, man. And I feel sorry for all creative artists, but I know their job may not be in danger, because there is a personalization. If your client demands a personalized detailing, or that needs your skill, that needs your personalization, you have to add it by yourself to add some elements to your picture or a vector art, right? So there you look at this, man. This looks really hungry right now. Okay, oh, I want a variation, or upscaling of U3, U4, and I also want a variation of V3 here, and even V4. Let's see if we find something amazing out of it. Whoa, look at this. Look at this. I mean, this is really actually a mind-blowing. I have no words right now to explain, to be honest, because I have been trying this from past 48 hours, and I just bought this app for a monthly subscription of 10 US dollars, and it's worth it. To be honest, it's worth it. $10 will give you 200, equivalent to 200 images per month. Or if you want it to be unlimited, and if you want to create and exploit this particular app, then you can go for the unlimited version, which costs you around $30 per month. Okay, so oh, look at this, man. Look at the fur here, look at all the mascot here, look at the eyes. I mean, what else you can expect? And I bet all my creative friends in my real life can't make this, to be honest. They will just leave their job and do something else. Oh, look at this. Oh man, really? Look at the variation it has created. Okay, so I want it to upscale to max possible, and let's see which version I like of it. Oh, look at this. Peter is, it look like the Peter got a superpowers, something like that. Okay, let it run. Let's create something more. Okay, so let's create a Batman. If you are a fan of a Batman or something like that, let's exploit the Batman in this creative art. The Batman in apocalyptic city. I want lightning in it, dark. Okay, flames also. Let's see if Midjourney can satisfy me in this, because I love Batman and I really want to see. Okay, so it's 18% already done. Look at the upscaling to the max, man. Look at this. I mean, oh, this is amazing, man. It's only 63% done, right? And this is the 56%. And then look at the detailing. Look at the upscaling it has done till now. Oh my god. Okay, so let's see. Oh, that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. The version 1. And it hasn't done yet. Okay. So just put your imagination to this particular app and play around with it. And just look at, however you want. Okay, so I want a different version of one and also upscaling of one. Okay, so let's just test it out something more. Let's create something spooky here. Okay, something spooky here. Spooky none. 8K. Photorealistic. Octane render. I'm just adding more variation to it. I wanted to make it some dark, real dark here. Dark atmosphere. Okay, that's it. Let's see if Midjourney can justify this. Let's see the previous ones. Okay, so I haven't added the photorealistic part, so I just like the art itself. Let me see. Oh yes, look at that. I know, maybe if your screen is okay. Yeah, look at that. Amazing, isn't it? Oh man. Okay, so this is also gonna be, look at I love this. I love first one also and second one. Let's upscale it. Where it is, yes. I like the fourth one also. Upscale first, second, and fourth here. So it's just started. Look at the detailing. It's gonna be amazing. We started upscaling it to look more realistic here. Look at that. Amazing, right? It's only 84% done. Just look at these amazing. So the final thing I want to discuss is it really cost, the job of creative artists around there? I don't think so. Yeah, it may, cause a bend to it, because if you are into a digital marketing or you don't have a budget to hire some creative artists out there, then yes, you can opt for this instead of downloading, illegal stuff or copyrighted stuff, because $10 per month is nothing as we compare to the other subscription model. And I know it's a new, because it's a new app and it's still in the beta. Okay, they are just starting the beta version right now and you're using the beta version. So if they just upgrade it, make it a damn realistic or something like that, mend more a command to it, add more commands to it, and add more personalization to it, then I will say yes, it may cost a digital creator or artist job. But right now it's just very basic. Okay, you just type a couple of words to it and it will give you the art you actually imagine, but it won't just give you that personalization. If you want, like, if you want something to make it a eye a bit red or something like that, or if you want to add some, brand names to it or branding to it, or if you want to, just add some more elements, personalized elements to it, then it may not be a worthy for you. But for me, it's damn worthy. I'm gonna be a part of this app from now and to more and more coming months, because it's gonna help me in my business, because my client demands such artistic creatives in the background. So I used to hire from the fiverr.com, because but that cost me around $10 per art, and here it's gonna be buck saving for me because $10 per month for 200 plus images is, damn pocket saving. Okay, so is AI taking over? It seems so. It looks like that, because I have been using the AI tools, like in the if you compare in the digital marketing area, I've been using Jasper, which is the AI content builder, and it also changing the game. The way they are upgrading that app, it's so damn good. And here you have a creative artist AI building. So here another tool for you called Midjourney. So these two tools actually is groundbreaking, because it's only the beta version, and it's they are gonna add more personalization to it. They are gonna add so much more features to it in upcoming months, as I expect. So this is gonna be a game changer. Okay, and you have also another AI tools out there, because for the digital marketing area here, you need a tools like that to create a marketing creatives or something similar to the content generation, right? So I think I wholeheartedly welcome this tool, but I know you won't welcome if you are a digital artist. So enough of chit chat. I love this till now. After you creating such stuff, and you can, if you have authorized your account with the midjourney.com app, so you will get all your personalized things here. So let me just refresh it. So here is all stuff I have created. So here it is. So you can just browse it here and download it from here. You can just click on the save and it will download for you. So that's how you can actually get. You can, for the community field, you can just click on it. Here is the community field. You will get all the real-time images, and if you want to search some specific, creative here, you can just do it from here, like a dog. So it will just pop out all the images related, all the creatives related to the dog here. So this is the interface of this personal feed. If you want to add something to your personal feed or creative feed, or personalized feed, you can just do that. If you have bookmarked some images, you have this option available. Here's the map. So these are the tools, or you can say available. So these are the just map created by Midjourney. So here's the ranking. So it's just a ranking, internal rankings, how much they are using, how much you're getting awards out of it. So here's the archive of what I have created. So here's the dictionary. So dictionary, if you want to create some, specific terms, here we have Muhammad, and Muhammad will look like that. Okay, so here we have high, and highs look like that. And if you want to create something out of this keywords, then you can actually use such words in this dictionary part, and you can create by own. So it will create more and more realistic, or you can say a personalized creative art for you. So here's the styles. So you can just click on the style, like you want something like an old lady in the bat moon. Okay, if you want a archangel in fresh wave or something like that, you can easily choose styles and you choose dictionary words, and collectively you can create an art. So here's the manage subscription. You can manage it here. You have a help and fast frequently asked question. So you can just go to the wikis. Here you will get all the information about this app. So hope you like this video. I know this is gonna be so much exciting for me. I don't know about you, but I get excited, and if you got irritated by my excitement, then I apologize for it. So if you have liked this video, and if you have learned from something from this video, then click on the like button. And if you want to watch some more about my stuff, what I do and what I'm gonna give the tutorial in this channel, then please click on the subscribe button. And so see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.